What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. So this is the ocean coloring book for kids. This is a very simple niche, as you will see here. So this is the ocean coloring book for kids. It makes you a great passive income, makes for a great passive income. And I'll share you a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So the ocean coloring book, let me show you how much people are making. I'm using KDP here, so I'm just sort this out. Estimated monthly result, revenue. So people are making $4,000, $2,000, $1,000. So people are making really good money. People are making really good money out of this. So it is really good. So these are the base covers, by the way. So if you want to get the covers for cheap, you can go to topcoverdesigner.com. That's topcoverdesigner.com, and have your book cover made like for $5 or something. So it's easy to do this, by the way. So, but it is great to have a great cover, because people will click on your book and they will eventually buy your book just because you have a great cover. So let me show you how you can get the interiors for this. So I just go to kdpdownload.com as always, kdpdownload.com, and I search for my keywords, right, for my niche. So as you can see, there are many results. So what you want to do is select one of the sea creature, underwater, and ocean coloring books. So this is an underwater, this is an underwater also. So you have to select the interiors based on that, because sometimes it gets mixed with another niche. So by the way, you can download 10 of this for free, by the way. Just go to kdpdownload.com and 10 of this. You can download 10 of this. So about the keywords, I'm just going to select my keyword, my main keyword. I just copy this. So I just go to kdprank.com. I just go to kdprank.com, press enter. As you can see, the ocean coloring, I just select the tools and I press magnet tool, the magnet tool. This also works for Walmart if you are an Amazon seller or Walmart seller. So I just paste in my keyword and just press get keywords. So it gives me many results. So it's the search volume and everything. So these are the keywords, and this is search volume and number of competing products. So what you want to do is high search volume and low number of competing products. So that's how you should select your keywords using this. High search volume, low competing products. So you can use this for your title and subtitle and for your 7 keywords space as you publish on KDP. So for the giveaway, let me go to my main dashboard. So for the giveaway, just go to kdptips.com and download your free KDP bestsellers guide. I will share many secrets over there. I can even share you the Canva Pro for free link, the Canva Pro themes for free. So have fun with this one, and I'll see you guys in